Okay, moving along to number 3, summarize the frequency, total dollars spent, and the mean amount spent per transaction for the type of browser. Now, we already looked a little bit at this in question number 1. Whether or not you use that in number 1, that's up to you. Number 1 was pretty broad and ambiguous, so you can do that either way you want. But number 3 is specifically telling you to look at the type of browser. So let's jump back to our spreadsheet. Let's do our pivot table. And we're going to bring in browser. Our frequency is, let's see, pages viewed. All right, so here we have frequency for each browser. Again, you can go into your recommended charts, and there you have it. Don't forget to change the title. Okay, then the next thing is the total dollars spent. Now it's saying total, not average or mean. So let's do this as a pivot table. We'll look at browser, total dollars spent, and put it into another chart. Now, with this, don't forget you can add your data labels. Also include them as dollar amounts if you want to reformat it so you have the cents or you don't have the cents. That's up to you how you want to have that looking. And then don't forget to put your title. Okay, then it's asking for the mean amount spent for each type of browser. Now you already have this put together. So an easy way to save these is to use Shift, the Windows button, and the S key. So let me show you this. If you have a Microsoft Word computer, use these 3 buttons: Control, the Windows button, and S. Hitting all 3 of these at one time will let you do a screenshot. So doing that, you'll notice the page goes dark, and then you can cut out what you want. There you go, and you can add that to your document. It's then an image, and that won't change if you're changing the information in your Excel spreadsheet because that's an actual image. So let's go back to this then, and what we can do is just change this to average instead of sum. Go to value field settings, average, and that automatically changes your table too. All right, I think that takes care of number 3. Let's move on to number 4.